Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-550, 2004 to 2007? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2004 Ford F-550 houses fuses and relays that protect circuits for key interior components such as the instrument panel, power windows, radio, and interior lights. It ensures electrical safety by preventing overloads and short circuits. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification and replacement. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2005 to 2007 Ford F-550 manages circuits for essential interior systems like the audio unit, climate controls, power windows, and dashboard electronics. It includes labeled fuses and relays for quick diagnostics and maintenance. The layout and functions remained largely consistent across these model years for ease of service. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2005 to 2007 Ford F-550 protects high-power circuits related to engine management, fuel systems, lighting, and trailer tow functions. It contains high-amperage fuses and relays for components like the PCM, glow plugs, and cooling fans. Designed for durability, it supports reliable vehicle operation under demanding conditions. Auxiliary relay box in Ford F-550, 2006 and 2007. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 glass tube fuse, a GC fuse 250 SFE fuse. Circuits such as the PCM, fuel pump, cooling fan, and ceramic fuse. Bosch fuse is cartridge and DIN fuse, along with relays for efficient circuit protection. The box is designed for optimized thermal performance and PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.